Hi friends, now we'll discuss some of the important fields in Material Master. Before going into the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like the video and share this video with your friends. Now we'll discuss the fields. Base unit of measure. It is the unit in which we manufacture and store the goods. For example, suppose we take a pharma company and suppose it is manufacturing a cough syrup, so it will manufacture in bottles and store that. So here it will be bottle. Next, material group. Grouping of the materials which will share the same attributes. And here, for example, if you take an electronics company, suppose Samsung, for example, I'm telling, uh, it will manufacture suppose uh, laptops, desktops, etc., etc. So these all laptops, desktops, they classify under like computers, one group, and speakers as sound systems. So like this, and in suppose if you take automobile industry, so you have sheet metal group, fasteners. So like that, you have will group the materials which will share the same attributes. Next, old material number. If the legacy material number and SAP material number is different, then we maintain the legacy material number in the field of old material number for reference purpose. Next, division. If we maintain division here, then this division will be determined into sales document line item. So when you are creating a sales document, so the division of the line item will be copied from here. So what you maintain here, so that is line item division will be copied from material master, that is from here. Next we'll discuss about product allocation. So product allocation means reserving the stocks to customers, customer groups, or distribution channels to meet the future requirements. Suppose a stock of some 1 lakh quantity is there, and there is a customer who definitely orders at a particular time. So for X customer, reserving the stock from this uh, 1 lakh, suppose some 40,000 quantity. So 40,000 quantity is reserved for that customer only, and remaining 60,000 quantity will be the open quantity. Next is explained material status. This will help to block the material across all the plants. So if you want to block the material, then mention the valid from date. Next is general item category group. So this field is one of the parameter to determine the item category in inbound delivery process. Next is gross weight. It is the total weight of the product including package, net weight. It is the actual weight of the product without packaging. Next, sales unit. So it is the unit in which we sell the goods to customers. So in the previous slide we discussed about the base unit. Suppose that is example I told bottle and sales unit. So here how the client will sell the goods to customers. Suppose he's manufacturing this cough syrup in bottles, but he won't sell directly bottles to customers. He will sell like he will pack them in some number of bottles in a carton, and he will sell in terms of carton. So here sales unit will be carton. So next here sales unit not vary. So if you check sales unit not vary, then system will not allow to change the sales unit while creating the sales document. So if you mention here and if you check here, and you cannot change the sales unit while you are creating the sales document. Next, X distribution chain status. This field will help to block the material for sales across all distribution channels. Repeat, this field will help to block the material for sales across all distribution channels. So if you want to block the material for sales, then uh, the date, maintain the date. Next is D chain specific status. So this field will help to block the material for sales in a particular distribution channel. So it is a particular distribution channel, and this is across all distribution channels. Next, delivering plant. If you maintain plant here, then it will be determined into sales document. And the criteria to determine plant into sales document, we discussed this in previous videos. So I told this is one of the important interview question. So the criteria to determine plant into sales document is CMIR, customer master, material master. CMIR means customer material info record. So what does this means? So first, system will check for CMIR, means the plant maintained CMIR while determining the plant into sales document. So first it will check for CMIR. Next it will look for customer master, and last it will look for material master. Next here, cash discount. So this field is prerequisite to determine cash discount condition type into sales document. So the cash discount condition type is SKTO. So if you check this, means if you check here cash discount, here if you check this, so then only system will determine cash discount condition type into sales document. And if it is not checked, means if it is blank, so then system will not determine cash discount condition type into sales document. Next we'll discuss about minimum order quantity. If you maintain some quantity here, then while creating sales order, if order quantity is less than minimum order quantity, then system will give warning message. I repeat, if we maintain some quantity here, then while creating sales order, if the order quantity is less than the minimum order quantity, then system will give warning message. Suppose here we will maintain minimum order as 100, and if we are creating the order for that particular material 80 quantity, so then system will give warning message. Next, minimum delivery quantity. If you maintain some quantity here, then while creating delivery, if delivery quantity is less than minimum delivery quantity, then system will give warning message or error message. Next, material statistics group. So this field controls whether to update material sales data into LIS reports or not. So here LIS means Logistics Information System. It is a management reporting tool. So friends, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Next, material pricing group. Grouping of the materials which will share the same pricing attributes. So this material pricing group will be used to group the materials for group condition concept in pricing. Next, volume rebate group. So this field will be used to group the materials for group rebate concept. I repeat, this field will be used to group the materials for group rebate concept. So we have three types of rebates, that is group rebate, material rebate, and customer rebate. So group rebate means announcing the rebate on group of materials. Next, material rebate means announcing the rebate on specific material. Customer rebate means announcing the rebate on particular. So means here irrespective of materials. So if any customer purchases some X value of the goods, so in a particular time, so then he is eligible for some X percent, 5% of the discount. So next is account assignment group. So this field is one of the parameter to determine revenue GL accounts while posting invoice values into account. So I repeat, this field is one of the parameter to determine revenue GL accounts while posting invoice values into account. So we'll maintain account assignment group as 01 for trading goods and 03 for finished goods. So here while invoice is created, accounting document generated, and the accounting entry is customer account debit to revenue account credit. So for the customer account, system determines GL account based upon the reconciliation account, and for the revenue account, system determines GL accounts based on the account assignment group. So next we'll discuss about item category group. So this field is one of the parameter to determine item category in sales document. So we have item categories, like for standard item we have item category group as NOM, NORM. For third party we have item category group as BANS. For IPO materials we have item category group as BANC, etc. Next we have pricing reference material. So if pricing is same for multiple materials, then instead of maintaining price for each and every material, we maintain price for only one material and assign this material as pricing reference material for other materials. So for example, we have materials like P, Q, or S, and this P, Q, or S for all materials we have same price. So here we maintain price for material P, and we maintain for others we maintain here pricing reference material as P, that is for R, Q, and S. So next here in sales general brand we have availability check. So this field controls how the sales order quantity should be updated into MRP. So MRP means materials requirement planning. So here in standard we maintain 01 and 02. So 01 means daily requirements and 02 means individual requirements. So we know if you maintain 01, then system accumulates the sales order quantities of a particular day and updates in a single line in MRP. And if you maintain 02, then each sales order quantities will be updated separately into MRP along with sales order number. Next we have batch management. So if the material is relevant for batch, then we check batch management, and batch is the unique number system generates for single lot of manufacturing. And the purpose of batch number is it will help to track defective goods, it will help to track expired goods, it will help to track the person responsible. Next here we have transportation group. So this field is one of the parameter to determine route into sales document. I repeat, this field is one of the parameter to determine route into sales document. And next we have loading group. So this field is one of the parameter to determine shipping point into sales document. I repeat, this field is one of the parameter to determine shipping point into sales document. So we know shipping point determines based on shipping conditions, loading group, plan. So here this loading group is one of the parameter. So here in foreign trade export we have control code. So here we maintain HSN codes. So HSN codes will help to determine GST rates, and these HSN codes will be provided by government, and here HSN stands for harmonized system nomenclature. So here in control code we maintain HSN codes. Next here we have plant specific material status. So this will help to block the material in a particular plant. And here we have automatic PO. So if you check this, then while creating sales order in third party process and IPO process, system automatically generates PO. Next we have purchasing value key. So this field will help to send reminders to vendors for supplying the goods on time. And here we have GR processing time. So it is a time taken to unload the goods and do the quality check. So GR goods received. And in the next screen we have MRP group. So here this field is one of the parameter to determine requirement type into sales document. I repeat, this field is one of the parameter to determine requirement type into sales document. Next, MRP type. So this field controls whether the material is relevant for planning or not. If the material is relevant for planning, then maintain MRP type as PD, and if it is not relevant for planning, then maintain MRP type as ND. And next, this field is also one of the parameter to determine requirement type into sales document, and this field is one of the parameter to determine schedule and category into sales document. Next, MRP controller. MRP controller is the person responsible to run MRP. I repeat, MRP controller is the person responsible to run MRP. Next, we have in-house production time. In-house production. So it is the time taken to manufacture the goods. Next, we have planned delivery time. So planned delivery time is the total time taken to receive the goods from the vendor and makes the goods ready. Nothing but this is applicable for trading goods. GR processing time we have discussed in the previous slide, and safety stock. So it is a minimum stock which company has to maintain to meet the future emergency requirements. So there may be the emergency situations like machinery failure, or for example I'm telling like power failures, or in a particular region, or some disasters happening in that location. So for which for any reason, if the company is not able to manufacture, so it has to maintain some minimum stock, or that we call safety stock, to meet the requirements from the customers of the client or the company. So in the next screen we have a strategy group in MRP3. So this field controls whether the material is make to stock or make to order. And if the suppose if the material is make to stock, then we will have to maintain strategy group as blank or 10. And if the material is make to order, then maintain strategy group as 20. So what is make to stock and make to order means? Make to stock means irrespective of customer orders, the company will manufacture the goods and keep the stock for the goods. For example, like pharma industry only, so they will manufacture and store the all the pharmaceutical products. And make to order means after receiving the order from the customer, then only they will start the process of manufacturing, and the finished goods. So for example, some specific kind of machinery or heavy machinery, heavy electricals, like some heavy products, some specific vehicles. So for all that, after receiving order only, so they will make the goods. So that is nothing but make to order. So the strategy group is also, this is field is one of the parameter to determine requirement type into sales document. So what is the criteria to determine requirement type into sales document means? Strategy group, MRP group, item category plus MRP type. Next, here we have total replenishment lead time. I repeat, total replenishment lead time. So it is the time It's the total time taken to manufacture the goods and make the goods ready. And this is applicable for only finished goods. And the system considers this RLT time only if the stock is not available. Next, in the next screen, we have storage conditions. This field is one of the parameter to determine storage location in delivery document. So we know storage location determines based on shipping point, plant, and storage conditions. So this storage conditions is one of the parameter to determine storage location in delivery document. And here we have total shelf life. So this field will help to calculate the expiry date of the product. And here we have minimum remaining shelf life. So if you mention some number of days here, so if the stock is going to expire within that number of days, then system will not propose that stock while doing the delivery. So that is nothing but total shelf life, remaining shelf life. Next we have valuation clause. So this field is one of the parameter to determine GL account for inventory accounting document. Next we have price control. So this field controls whether the cost of the product is standard cost or moving cost. Standard cost means fixed cost, moving cost means it will fluctuate. So for all the finished goods, we maintain price control as standard cost. All trading goods, price control we maintain as V. So if the price control is yes, then we maintain cost in standard price field. And if the price control is V, then we maintain cost in moving price. Here, moving price, standard price. So the cost which we maintain in material master will help be determined into sales document with the help of VPRS condition type. And here, if you don't maintain cost in the material master, then system will not generate inventory accounting document. So friends, these are the some of the important fields in material master. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you.